காஷ்மீரில் நடந்திருப்பது ஹிந்து ஜெனோசைட். ஆந்திரா துணை முதல்வர் கோபம். பெகல்காம் தாக்குதலில் உயிரிழந்த மசூதனன் மற்றும் சந்திரமௌலி அவர்களின் குடும்பத்தை நேரில் சந்தித்த ஆந்திரா துணை முதல்வராக பவன் கல்யாண் செய்தியாளர்களிடம் கனத்த இதயத்துடன் பேசினார். மகன் கண் முன்னே ஒரு தந்தை சுட்டுக் கொல்லப்படுவதும், மனைவியின் கண் முன்னே கணவர் கொல்லப்படுவதும் வார்த்தைகளால் சொல்ல முடியாத வழி. இதற்கு மோடி அரசு தக்க பதிலடி கொடுக்க வேண்டும் என்றும் தீவிரவாதத்தை வேரோடு அழிக்க வேண்டும் என்றும் கேட்டுக்கொண்டார்.
Today, after meeting Mr. Madhusudan's family and right now Mr. Chandramauli's family, it's very difficult even for me after going through, after understanding, after hearing what they had gone through, and even to speak to media, even not getting enough strength to speak to. In the name of religion, targeting people targeting based on religion, it's a very clear-cut target killing. From 1986 to 89, we all used to visit Kashmir for Telugu films, and I had worked for 2 films. And I knew then how situation had changed from 86 to 89. And I used to have a lot of Kashmiri Pandits who used to work for us. And from that particular time period to now, I feel it is a revival of Hindu genocide. That's what I feel. And I would like to, the perpetrators, the terrorists, whoever they had done, whoever are behind this, they should be brought to justice of any kind. Whatever is right, they should be brought. I think national leadership and PM Modi ji and Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji, I think the entire Indian government of India, I think they should take, I believe that they'll take stern action.
So you're a believer of all religions. You're a believer of all religions. You've respected all religions. Right now there's a social media war and a lot of targeting of innocent people just because they say there are other religions and most Hindus have been killed. What do you have to say?
In Kashmir there is a Hindu genocide. There is no doubt about it. And this incident had shown it. And for the time being, this heat will be there. But as a Hindu society, we believe in everyone. We believe in respecting other religions. But the sad part is these terrorists, they don't have that. They have targeted exclusively Hindus and eliminated them, and they emptied the magazine. The most saddest part, most cruel part is like they emptied the magazines in each one. And even the worst, the most painful part to look at is even to look at the deceased body, even to look at their face is not there. In both the situation which I had been since morning, and killing husband in front of a wife, killing a father in front of kids, and it is unimaginable, which had never happened before. I think now the time has come to take quite a stern action.
So millions of Indians shared the pain. Millions of Indians shared the pain across the world.
How can you react on this issue?
Yeah.
Millions of Indians across the world are sharing this pain. You and I among several of them who are sharing this pain. Lot of blame game that is going on out here. Dirty politics that is being played. Your response?
This is not the time for a blame game or for any kind of petty politics. It's about coming together. It's all about, for me, it's the question is always somewhere in Middle East, a bomb blast in Palestine. The entire supporting groups come together. I think we should do the same. I think Hindus are being targeted in Kashmir. This is not the first time. In recent time, this is such ghastly incident. But if you look at the genocide of Pandits, and everyone knows about it. I myself have an experience from 86 to 89 before the genocide started. I think from then, I think we tried to conveniently choose only one aspect. I said, this is a fact whether entire nation, I am being a Hindu. I respect all religions and definitely would like to say, we don't say.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள நம்ம வேதா நியூஸ் டைம்ஸ் சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் ஐகானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போடுற வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிபிகேஷன்ல வரும்.